What's up everyone? Today we're investigating Botane Men's Hair Removal Cream. You've probably seen it all over TikTok and Instagram with claims of pain-free hair removal in just 5 minutes. But does it actually work? Or is this just another dropshipping scam with fake reviews? Let's expose the truth. So Botane marks itself as a quick, gentle hair removal cream with natural aloe vera that dissolves thick body hair in 5 minutes with no pain, no razor burn, and no irritation. They claim it's dermatologist approved and safe for face, body, and intimate areas. Sounds perfect, right? Here's what's actually going on. First, Botane appears to be part of a white label scam network. The exact same product is being sold under multiple different brand names like Loville's, Botane, and others. These are generic creams produced in bulk overseas, then rebranded with fancy websites to appear unique. Second, zero verified customer reviews exist on independent platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. The only positive reviews appear on their own website or Amazon listings, which are easily manipulated. That's a massive red flag. Third, their website was created just a few months ago. Brand new anonymous domains with no track record are classic signs of pop-up scam stores designed to disappear after collecting orders. Fourth, fake urgency tactics everywhere. Those countdown timers showing limited time offers, they reset every time you refresh the page. The buy two get one free deals are permanent. These are psychological manipulation tactics used by known scam stores. Experts suspect many of the before and after images of Botane's site are AI generated or stolen from other sources. The photos look too perfect and often show inconsistencies that reveal digital manipulation. Does the product even work? Here's the thing, hair removal creams in general do work to some degree. They use chemicals to dissolve hair, but Botane isn't revolutionary. It's likely a cheap generic depilatory cream marked up 300 to 500%. You can find similar products from established brands like Nair or Veet for a fraction of the price with actual customer support and safety standards. The real question isn't whether it removes hair, it's whether Botane specifically is worth trying compared to legitimate alternatives. And the answer is no. Some safety concerns. Generic unbranded hair removal products from unknown sources can cause serious skin irritation, burns, or allergic responses. Without proper safety testing or transparent ingredient lists, you're taking a gamble with your skin. Established brands have accountability, customer service, and undergoes safety testing. Botane? It's a fly-by-night operation that could disappear tomorrow. The final verdict? It's sketchy at best, outright scam at worst. It's part of a dropshipping operation selling rebranded generic products at inflated prices with fake reviews and manipulative marketing. Want hair removal cream? Buy from established brands like Nair, Veet, or Manscaped. They have real customer reviews and actual accountability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.